Hello everyone, it's me Gauri, and today we are here for the best and beautiful another episode that we have today. And guess who we have? Yes, we have the very special guest with us. She is a Garbha Sanskar coach who learns or who teaches about the Garbha Sanskar to the pregnant women. See, as we all know that pregnancy is very important for all male or female because we have the baby and kid due to the due to this phase. To know about informations or the importance of the Garbha Sanskar, we have the special guest. And yes, guys, let's meet the beautiful girl. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay, ma'am. Just tell me about yourself.
My name is Aruna Deshmukh. I am a
Yes.
Garbha Sanskar coach.
Okay, ma'am. As you told me that you are a Garbha Sanskar coach, I feel that I'm so lucky to have you with me. And today's generation, we sees that pregnancy is very important and it plays a very crucial role in our life. I think if there is a need or if we wish for a baby, then there is a main phase in our life that is pregnancy, motherhood phase, we can
Yes.
say. So, why you choose this field, ma'am?
Mm, uh, I decided one work
Yes.
in social in help us a society.
Okay.
So I saw this work
Yes,
and I
yes.
decided.
Okay, that means you want to help people
Yes.
that to
Mm.
born their baby easily.
Yes, yes.
Okay. As we see that our India's population is growing up, and we also see that today's generation is very brilliant. Because I know I'm also Gen Z, and the upcoming the Alpha Beta was is really very clever persons that I have met. And one more thing, I want to know about the pregnancy and Garbha Sanskar that you have chosen. In the pregnancy, if a mother feels that my baby is okay or not, is that a normal situation to feel that during their pregnancy? Is it normal to feel like that negativity in ourselves? That time, how to maintain our positivity in a
Yes.
pregnancy?
During pregnancy, ladies is a very negative thinking.
Yes, they
And
think.
hormones changes.
Yes.
And many changes in her
Their
bodies.
yes.
So this time
She tries to.
to care peace.
Yes,
And
yes.
his journey is peacefully and
Yeah.
happily.
Yes. She
complete.
should
I
keep
help-
this.
Yes, I help this.
That means you want to say ki positivity,
Yes.
body care,
Yes.
as well as to maintain a positive nature around us is important for
Sir.
pregnant women.
Yes.
And you help them to maintain them. Yes.
Yes.
That's a very great work, ma'am. You are doing a social work, and I really appreciate you.
Thank
See, whenever I talk to you about this all Garbha Sanskar and all, I was shocked that how can people speak on Garbha Sanskar like this? Because I just heard that online courses are available for our Garbha Sanskar coaching. Because not only just women's, but there are only few women's who enroll these classes.
Yes.
Because they just thought.
No, not aware.
No, they are not
Yes,
aware.
yes.
They just want this. I am happy with now, then
Yes,
my
yes.
baby will happy.
Happy, yes.
And they try to over it. And also, I saw that there is a pregnancy problem that they gain their weight. Do you think that during pregnancy, the female should do their exercises routine or not?
Yes. I should
Recommended.
recommended yoga, meditation.
Yes. For them, there are benefits, health
pregnancy.
benefits. Yes. See, the biggest fear of women is that while they delivering their babies, the baby should be fine. They should not be small, and there are many questions in they have their minds. And they also ask this question to gynec ki if I will die during the incarnation of baby and during the giving the birth of baby, if I will die, then what will happen to me and what will happen to my baby? Is that fear is controllable or manageable? Do you think that?
Yes. I teach the Garbha Sanskar ladies.
Yes, yes.
You maintain
Positivity.
positivity,
Yes, yes.
and you do, and
You should have to try for new things to keep
Yes.
maintain. Yes, yes.
you care with baby.
You take care have to baby. Yes,
newborn
yes.
baby.
Yes.
You preparing. Uh,
You are preparing for the baby's care,
Care,
and
yes,
you
yes,
are a
yes.
new mother who is learning to
Yes.
maintain this.
normal delivery.
Normal delivery, yes, because it's a very fear now that people are
Yes, yes.
Caesars or normal delivery. And see, I think
C-section,
yes, yes, C-sections. I think the beautiful part of women is that pregnancy period, because at that time she feels everything, every moment of her baby who is just kicking her, and she is just enjoying
Yes.
step by step journey, because it's a very large journey. 9 months you have to carry a mm, we can say the baby on our womb, and really it's too hard to heavy this kind of weight in our stomach.
Yes, yes.
For a 9 months.
9
It's a very incredible and I think funful journey for mother, which makes a women to mother, and it's a journey of to become a woman to mother, and I think it's very difficult.
Difficult.
And also one more thing, I think my mom also fears some faces for my time. But I think, do you have any advice for the new upcoming parents? Because see, they don't
Yes.
have idea, na,
Yes,
how
yes.
to handle the people,
Yes,
the
yes.
many more things.
I advise you teach Garbha Sanskar and help Garbha Sanskar, and then you
Try to
want
plan.
child plan.
Yes, yes, yes. That means before planning a
Planning,
child,
yes,
you
yes,
just
yes.
have to know about Garbha Sanskar. Yes. I think in a Garbha
Pregnancy is not by chance. Pregnancy is a
planning.
planning.
Okay, okay. That means there is no unplanned baby or all. Okay. I also heard one thing related to the Garbha Sanskar, that in Garbha Sanskar, coaches told us about Bhagavad Gita.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because I think Krishna is a so cute
Cute.
child. So,
But-
what do you think Gita should be teach in Garbha Sanskar or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
Have
Yes,
to
Yes,
involve.
I teach Gita.
Yes,
in
yes.
Garbha Sanskar, because Gita is a spiritual book, is a great book, is life learning book,
Yes, yes.
and many important points l- learn this time.
Yes, matlab we learn many more things from the Gita.
Gita.
Yes, yes. And also, I heard that there are many stories related to the little Krishna, who is also teaches in these. All stories are very curious, and see, we all say that he's a very nutcut, right? So I think
I tell Garbha Sanskar ladies. Storytelling, Lori,
yes,
in
yes.
Lori, in
Yeah.
communication, you are
Build communicate with your child. Yes,
my
yes.
baby is happy, my
Yeah.
baby is a peaceful, my baby
Yes,
is
yes.
intelligent.
Positive affirmations
Yes,
for them.
positive
Yes, yes.
affirmations
Yeah.
daily, and she
She felt also happy for
yes.
reciting these all affirmations daily. You thought that it impacts on baby?
Yes, definitely.
Really?
Yes.
I think you've seen so many. You have seen so many child, right?
Yes.
Yes. How many women's you have trained?
500.
500? Wow, it's an appreciable amount, ma'am. Okay, chalo. Let's move toward the rapid fire. And the rapid fire is, I will ask you the question and you have to answer it very fast. The first question is music or meditation?
Meditation. I like meditation.
Morning or evening?
I practice daily. 1 hour,
Okay.
1.5 hour, 1 hour meditation.
Okay. Morning or evening?
Morning.
Reading or listening?
Listening, sorry.
Traditional or modern?
Traditional.
Krishna or Ram?
Prabhu Ram.
Ram. Wow. Good. One more thing, that is spirituality or practicality?
Spirituality.
Spirituality.
Yes.
Faith or belief?
Faith.
Okay. Devotional or non-devotional?
Devotion.
Devotional. Okay, one word for motherhood.
Motherhood is a blessing in God.
Okay, you say it's a blessing for a
Yes,
woman.
yes.
Okay, one quality every parent should have follow.
Parent is kindly teach
Kind nature.
your
Yes, yes,
child
yes.
and positively
Okay.
handle,
Yes.
and some quantitative discipline.
Disciplines also. Okay, okay, okay. What is your favorite activity?
My favorite activity.
Social working.
Yes, yes, right.
Yes.
Social work.
You, I heard that you like
I
so
like
much
so
social
much. Yes, yes,
working.
yes.
You're passionate for it,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yes. One piece of advice for expecting parents who want to be a parents in their future. One advice for them.
You do you gain knowledge in
Yes,
Garbha
yes.
Sanskar, and then
Try to be a parents.
yes.
Okay, okay. And your inspiration, ma'am?
Inspiration is Sudhamurti.
Okay,
Yes.
she's a very nice woman. Describe your journey in a one word.